Hello, first graders. Welcome back to math and happy Monday. What we will be doing today is we will recite numbers forward and backwards from 1 to 99. And how we will do this is we will complete a hundreds chart and solve addition problems. This is important so we can build number sense and see patterns when counting. So we're going to start off with counting a set of objects by 5. So right here I have some buttons that are in groups of 5. And I'm going to go ahead and circle them for you so it's easier to see. Go ahead and circle them. And now you can see that they are in groups of 5. So we're going to count by 5s to see how many buttons we have. Ready? Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20. So how many buttons do I have? 20. Awesome. Thank you for counting with me by 5s. And go over our hundreds chart and our 2 important rules. So we have our columns. Remember, our columns go what way? Up and down, and our rows go left to right, side to side. Good job. And our columns, when we go up and down, we count by what number? We count by 10s. Yes, we count by 10s. And in our rows, we go side to side. We count by 1s. Awesome job. We count by 1s. So a very important thing that we talked about is that when we are going up and down in our columns and counting by 10s, our 1s always stay the same. Our 1s stay the same. And for our rows, when we're going side to side counting by 1s, our 10s place stays the same. Okay, so remember our 10s place stays the same when we're in our row counting by 1s. And when we're in our column going up and down counting by 10s, our 1s place stays the same. What we're going to do today is we are going to fill in these boxes with our missing numbers, and we're also going to count backwards to 30. So we're going to start at our shaded number, which we don't know yet, and we're going to count back to 30. But first, what we're going to do is I'm going to fill in these empty boxes with the numbers that are missing. So I have 30, and I can look at 30 in my hundreds chart. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to underline 30 so I know where I'm starting, right here. Or you could also circle it like this. And what we're going to do is we have to count on to fill in our boxes. So we have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and I can use my hundreds chart to fill in these missing boxes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in. So I have 30, then I need 31, then 32, then 33, 34, I have 35. Now let's see, I have 35, what's next? 36, then 37, 38, 39, and I have the number 40. Then I can go and start again from 41, 42, 43, 44, then I have 45. Now I need 45, then what's next? 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So now I completed my missing numbers, and now I can count backwards to 30. So it says start at the shaded number and count backward to 30. So our shaded number is 46. 46 right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to count backwards to 30. So count backwards with me. So we have 46. Now 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. Awesome job. Thank y'all for counting with me backwards to 30. So also I can see on my number line, I can see that I can skip count by fives. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade in how I can skip count by 5. So I have 30. I'm going to start with 30. And I can count 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 35. And count 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm up to 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm able to count by 5s. So I can go to 30 all the way to 50, just skip counting by 5s. So try it with me. Let's skip count by 5s starting at 30. So we have 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. See, so skip counting by 5s makes it a little easier to go all the way up to 50 or even 100. You can skip count from 1 all the way to 100. You can skip count by 5s and it'll be a little bit easier. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at our hundreds chart and see all the different numbers we get when we skip count by 5s. So I'm going to do 3 numbers. So we're going to start off at 5. And I'm going to just color it in. So I have 5. And then I have to count 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 10. And then again I can count 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 5, 10, 15. But there's still many more numbers that we say when we're skip counting by 5s, and that's going to be part of your activity for today. So let's go ahead and look at your assignment. For your first assignment for today, you are going to color in this hundreds chart and you're going to complete it by skip counting by 5s. So as you skip count by 5s, fill in the numbers. Okay, so I went ahead and helped you get started. So right here I have 5 and I colored in only my 5. And now I go to 10 and I colored in my 10. Then 15, I colored in 15. Now you have to go ahead and complete the rest of the hundreds chart, but only color in the numbers that you are counting when you are counting by 5s. So go ahead and complete this hundreds chart. Next, you are going to complete these 6 addition sentences. So you have 30 plus 5, 70 plus 5, 50 plus 5, 60 plus 5, 40 plus 5, and 20 plus 5. And go ahead and use your pencil button on your iPad to write your total and your sum in this square right here at the bottom. Once you are done, go ahead and click the Save button and turn it into your teacher in Google Classroom, okay? I'll see y'all next time in math class. Bye!